good friend Pocoyo. Hello to my dear artists. Today we're going to draw and color our favorite friend Pocoyo. Yes, do you know him?
What a delight. Raindrops falling, but the world fell.
Get your crayons ready and let's start.
Twirl and spin like a super cool Giro under the clouds.
First, let's draw his eyes.
It's sunshine we borrow.
Ellie loves Pocoyo. Now, let's draw his nose and a big smile.
Big enough for all to see. Ellie and Pato, they all come along.
Now, let's draw his face.
His umbrella,
Kids, my friend Pocoyo has a beautiful hat. Let's draw it together. That's right, up here, he's got a hat.
every raindrop turns into glitter. Umbrella, magic, and hearts feel fitter with Pocoyo leading the joyful crew. Gray skies melt into skies of blue. His umbrella.
Pocoyo loves surprises. Maybe we can draw a big one for him.
There's no rainy song.
Who's Pocoyo's best friend? I know you are. Now, let's draw his body. His arms, fingers,
Every raindrop turns into glitter. Umbrella, magic, and hearts feel fitter with Pocoyo
excellent.
crew. Gray skies.
Okay, kids, I'll be super happy if you hit the like, but if you don't, I might draw funny faces on everything. So please hit the like.
Oh, kids, look here. Maybe he's high-fiving with us. Or maybe he is holding something. What is it? It's got a handle, a very long straight line. Can you guess what is it? Oh, I see. It's an umbrella. Pocoyo has got an umbrella. Cool. Pocoyo's umbrella is huge. Look at that. Let's see if we can draw big enough to cover him. Maybe it's raining. Let's complete him. Yes, let's draw his legs.
Colors swirl high in the sky, so blue. Rain or shine, he's got fun to do. Tiny feet dance in a soggy parade. Umbrella spins.
There he is, our kind and cute Pocoyo. Let's draw a shadow for him. Excellent.
Under the
Okay, kids, I'll be super happy if you hit the like, but if you don't, I might draw funny faces.
in the story to tell, he makes the world a
Let's draw curved lines for its umbrella.
skip and a hop. Umbrellas
It looks super cute.
Pocoyo
Ellie's proud of you.
wide. Adventure waits on the other side.
Now it's time to use our pencil colors. Yay! I'm always excited for this part. What about you?
Music notes sweet. Pocoyo's rhythm makes
Let's get started. Let's color Pocoyo's face.
athletic spin. Everyone's dream.
It's a cream color. You know it. 'Cause you are the best artist ever.
Pocoyo's umbrella.
Kids, if you like this video, I'll draw the biggest, coolest rainbow, ever. So hurry up.
Spell.
that beautiful smile. Let's use red. Yes, red, red, red. Like the color of the roses.
Lifts into the sky. Every drop of rain, a story to tell.
What color is Pocoyo's clothes? Do you know? Wow, excellent! Blue. You know the colors. Pocoyo's hat and clothes are both blue. Amazing job! Now, let's use our yellow for his shirt zipper. Yes, yellow. Keep going. Your drawing is turning into a masterpiece. Pocoyo's umbrella is magical. What color should we make it? Let's decide together. What do you think? Wow, red is great. Let's use red for the top part of the umbrella first. Let's use brown for the handle. I love umbrellas and walking in the rain. How about you, my dears? Pocoyo with an umbrella is the cutest. He is holding his umbrella up in the sky. Look at it. Look at this puddle. Pocoyo is going to jump on it. Let's color that too. And finally, it's time to add some shadings. Pocoyo's adventures start on our paper today. You did amazing! High five! All done! See, you are an amazing artist. To draw along with me, you can like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!